After I discovered this trick, my house never again had ants, cockroaches, flies, and mosquitoes. In a pot, first I will use the peels of an onion. All parts that would be discarded from the onion can also use. This trick is simple. I use in all doors and windows of my house. No insect even enters more. Whenever I have visits at home and tell about this tip, everyone is surprised with the result. In a short time I can make this mixture and helps me too day to day. Then the same with garlic. We will use all the peels and parts that would be discarded. Next, I will add 200 milliliters of water and I will turn on low heat and keep until boiling water. New simple trick, which really keeps all insects away from your home, will surely be surprised by the result. Once you are at this point, carefully, I will remove the pan from the fire, and with the help of a sieve we will separate the shells and pass only the liquid to another container. To increase the yield, I will use another 150 milliliters of water, and then I will also use 2 tablespoons of alcohol. For its bactericidal effect, alcohol becomes an indispensable ally for use in this mixture. Next, I will also add 2 tablespoons of detergent, and we will mix well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Fiona Cruz from New Mexico. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To help in the use of this mixture, I will put the liquid in a spray bottle. For this I'm using a funnel to avoid waste, and after putting all the liquid we will cover and is already ready for use. The cost is low and ends up using not only things that you should already have in your home, but also things that would be discarded and are now being used to rid your home of insects that annoy you at all times. Only a small amount of this liquid already makes this area as an insect repellent. On all surfaces I have problems with insects, I use this product for at least 2 times a week, and only this amount we made is enough to have use for at least a month. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with this tip. Do it in your home, and after use, I hope you end the problems you may have with insects. I hope you liked our tip today. See you in the next video. Bye.